Hello and welcome back to Rachel's hairstyling adventures. I hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to be dyeing my hair pink. If you didn't see the first part of this video where I got the old purple out of my hair and turned it into this blondiness, definitely go and check that out if you want to know how to get permanent hair dye out of your hair without using bleach. But today, the time has come to do what my 10-year-old self has always wanted to do: dye my hair pink. My goal for today is going to be to make as little mess as possible, to make it look as good as possible, and to hopefully at the end of it not come looking out like a troll. You know the one I'm talking about. I have the Manic Panic Cotton Candy Pink Semi-Permanent Hair Dye. It's supposed to last up to like 2 months, so that's lovely. And the Manic Panic Hot Pink. I'm gonna try to do a little hot pink to light pink transition. Keyword try. First and foremost, I must regress back to my original state of trash. Y'all heard me. I'm not trying to make a mess here, and this is what the professionals do. Perfect. Now I just need armholes. Okay. Perfect. It's a look, darling. This is what we are starting with. I should stop talking like that. I'm thinking this will get pretty light. These kind of like transition-y dark colors, I'm not anticipating the pink will pick up. I'm like sweating. But these lighter shades, I'm hoping, are you Canadian, eh? I'm hoping the cotton candy pink color will pick up. Unlike the last video, I'm gonna brush my hair beforehand so I'm not ripping it out on camera. Let's section her off. I've come to the conclusion that I'm just having a quarter life crisis and I want to dye my hair every single color possible before I go to med school. It's no longer socially acceptable. People actually wear their hair like this and look cute. I look like someone who's trying to sell you Girl Guide cookies, but there's some secret stuff in the Girl Guide cookies. My plan is to kind of do like most of it, the cotton candy pink, and then I'm gonna mix in some of the hot pink and just go over like this part. But I'm gonna mix the hot pink with the cotton candy pink so it's not just like hot pink to candy pink. Again, I don't have high hopes for this. I'm gonna mix like a squirt of conditioner in it. Not much because I don't want it to be too pastel because then it won't show up on my hair. But like, I don't know, that much? A little dollop of conditioner. So I really only used half a jar. I'll put the whole jar in. Whoops daisy. Another whoopsie on my part is I don't have a brush. We don't need a brush, right? Here we go. I'm giving up on the knife technique and just gonna go with my hands, saturating every hair follicle. I can't even tell you how much I'm sweating. I feel like it's sitting like on top of my hair and not going in the hair. You know? Oof, this is gonna be exciting. Guys, the acoustics in a bathroom is something else. I used to think when I was younger that I could do a really good Shakira impression. Oh, you want me to do it? No. No, I'm too embarrassed. Oh, baby, when you talk like that, how am I gonna go back? They didn't like my singing. Whenever, wherever, we're meant to be together, I'll be there and you'll be near. And that's the I can't do it, seriously. What's new with you? Also, guys, I'm like 110% kidding. I know I'm not a good singer. Oh, this is slippery. I feel like I'm gonna like it. So I have none left, but I'm gonna take some of this whatever's left, and then mix hot pink in. Conditioner, and then leftover pink here. Like this. Hot pink. But we're just gonna go like here-ish. Oh god. Am I making a mistake? Possibly. And then just blender. You know? Oh shit. I just like mixed it. Oh no. Just a little scratching technique. I knew it was just holding that. It's fine. I'm gonna take this brush and just do a good brush through. Don't mix it too much though. Oh schnackle. I just touched the ends with my dark dye hands. Now for the double garbage bag. And then I'm gonna wait an hour and I'll be back. I feel like a new woman. A new woman. Okay, there are some places, I don't know if this helps at all, like where I feel like this strand in particular, it didn't necessarily take as much as I would like, but we shall see. Guys, I feel like we're having like a pink moment, but it isn't like, oh damn, she dyed her hair pink. It's just what happened here, girl? We're gonna try this again. We're gonna go straight in with hot pink, and we're gonna do smaller sections, and we're gonna saturate every single strand because I want pink hair and I'm not gonna give up till I get it.
Whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh, I can't live without you. Whoa, oh, oh, whoa, oh, oh, I can't breathe without your love. Your love.
And we are pink. I'm exhausted. It's 2 a.m. and I will show you in better lighting the final result. So we're pink, not just pink, but like bright fucking pink, like troll doll pink. Not exactly where I thought we were going with this, but I don't hate it. I feel like the dye job was pretty good. It's like blendy-ish, and then the ends are like bright pink. Overall, kind of feeling it. I'm excited to see what happens when it fades, because it's only supposed to last 2 months-ish, I think. I don't wash my hair super often, so I think it'll last fairly long on me. But yeah, we pink. I'm gonna go ahead and say that that was a success of sorts. Let's recap. We went from this to this to this. Ding! Give this video a thumbs up if you guys are a fan of pink hair, and even if you're not, it'd be nice if you still gave it a thumbs up. And comment down below what color I should dye my hair next. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you're new, please subscribe. If you're old, please stay subscribed. and I will see you in my next video.